Oh, they think they're staying up, but they're not. Y'all getting ready to go to bed and asleep. It is late, way past their bedtime. Aliciana, Arlo, little Bianca. They're triplets. Okay, let's go. Come on. We're going in the bedroom, and we're going to go night-night. You going night-night, mama? Which one of y'all is sleeping with me tonight? Who's sleeping with mommy on the baby pillow, on the bed? Is it going to be you, Aliciana? She is so beautiful, all of them. Golly, y'all so cute. Mommy just love you guys.